Pay off debt quickly with simple budgeting tips. To pay off debt fast, create a simple, strict budget using the 50/30/20 rule: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% debt/savings, or aggressively shift to a 50/5/45 split. Cut expenses like dining out and subscriptions, and use the debt avalanche, highest interest first, or debt snowball, smallest balance first, method. Here are some key strategies for rapid debt repayment. Create a realistic budget, track all income and expenses to understand your cash flow and identify funds for debt repayment. Adopt the 50/30/20 rule, allocate 50% of your income for necessities, 30% for discretionary wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Prioritize debt repayment. If you need to pay off debt quickly, consider a more aggressive approach, such as allocating 50% to needs, 5% to wants, and 45% to debt. Choose a debt strategy, debt avalanche. Focus on paying off debt with the highest interest rate first to minimize interest charges. Debt snowball. Pay off the smallest debts first to build momentum and motivation. Cut unnecessary expenses, reduce discretionary spending, such as dining out, buying coffee, and subscribing to multiple services. Increase income, boost your repayment capacity by taking on a side gig, working overtime, or selling unused items. Automate payments, set up automatic, consistent payments to avoid late fees. Additional tips: consolidate debt, consider a balance transfer credit card to lower interest rates. Build an emergency fund, create a small, separate savings account to cover unexpected expenses, reducing the need to rely on credit cards. Stop using credit cards, prevent further debt accumulation by avoiding the use of credit cards.